Sa PayPal, 0.8 US dollar. Ito yung kanilang minimum amount na pwede nating i-cash out. Merong 2.5, 4.5 at saka 14.5 US dollars. Sa GCash naman, 10 pesos, 24, merong 150 at saka 500. Ayan, bawat amount dyan merong corresponding points. 3,600, 8,000, 36,000 at saka 110,000. So, as of right now, bali PayPal yung aking gamitin dito guys sa pag-cash out. Meron tayong balance na 159,000 coins. Cash out tayo dito ng 14.5 US dollars. Ayan, nakasubmit na yung ating withdrawal. And ito nga po yung ating first cash out. So, ipop-up ko na lang dito sa screen guys kapag na-receive na natin yung ating cash out.